The question is that find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the point this and this. So actually there is a point which is on the x-axis. Now you have to think that whenever there is a point on the axis, so one of the point of the coordinate is 0. So point is on the x-axis. So y is 0. Suppose let's say this is a point R. So if R point is on the x-axis, then you have the epsilon a value and the ordinate is 0. Okay, so the coordinate will be x comma 0. If suppose the R point is on the y-axis, then it will be 0 comma y. Okay, now what they are saying next, that this is equidistant from the point this and this. So let's say this point is P and this point is Q. Equidistance means this is point P, this is point Q. So this R is at an equal distance from P and Q. Okay, so that means PR is equals to RQ. Now, whenever we are talking about the distance, so we have the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? So distance formula that you have, is the general distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? That is the general formula. Now, what is the coordinate of P? 7, 6. What is the coordinate of Q? 3, 4. And coordinates of R, we have x, 0. So we have to work out for x basically. Okay. Now let's apply the distance formula for PR. So let's say P point as x1, y1 and R point as x2, y2. So let's put in the formula. So P as x1, y1. So x2 is x and x1 is 7 whole square plus y1, which I have to take from R point, which is 0 minus 6 whole square. Now let's have a apply the distance formula for RQ. So R I am taking x1, y1 and Q I am taking x2, y2. So x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. Let's cancel out the square root both sides because it is under the complete terms. So now this is the identity, which is a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 0 minus 6 is minus 6 whole square 36. Then we have again identity a square plus b square minus this plus 16. So x square cancels out. So let's take the variable together. So 14x and you have minus 6x. So when you take minus 6 to the left hand side, so it will become plus 8. So minus 14 plus 8 is plus 6 is how much? Minus 8x. Now let's take all the numbers on the right hand side. So this gives you 25 and this gives you 85. So 25 minus 85. So it is minus 8x minus 60. So minus minus cancels out. So x is equals to 60 over 8, which is 230, 4, and 215 and 2 by 2. So x is 15 by 2. So what is the r coordinate? So r gives me 15 over 2 comma 0. So this is the coordinate of point r, right? So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.